You know how power problems always show up at the worst possible time? One minute everything is fine, and the next, your lights are out, your devices are dying, and you are suddenly wishing you had planned. That is exactly where a reliable portable power station becomes less of a luxury and more of a necessity. For this, we have the VTOMAN FlashSpeed 1500 power station. Whether you are dealing with home blackouts, heading out on a camping trip, working remotely, or preparing for emergencies, this power station is built to give you control when things get unpredictable. Fast charging. One of the biggest reasons people hesitate to buy a power station is charging time. Waiting half a day for something to recharge defeats the whole purpose. With the VTOMAN FlashSpeed 1500, that problem is gone. You get ultra-fast 1500 watt AC charging, which means you can fully charge it in about 1 hour using a regular wall outlet. There's no bulky power brick and no complicated setup. You plug it in, and it does exactly what you want it to do. If you're off-grid, you can also recharge it using solar energy. With up to 400 watt solar input, it can be topped up using clean, free power from the sun. That makes a huge difference during long outdoor trips or extended power outages when access to electricity is limited. Strong output. Power means nothing if the station shuts down the moment you push it. The VTOMAN FlashSpeed 1500 delivers 1500 watts of constant power with surge capability up to 3000 watts. Thanks to V-Beyond technology, it can power devices that usually exceed the standard limit. Instead of cutting off, the station maintains output and keeps things running when it is needed the most. This is especially useful for appliances that demand more energy during startup. Hence, you're not constantly worried about whether your device is too powerful or whether the system will suddenly shut down. Long life. Battery lifespan is one of the most important things to consider, and this is where VTOMAN really stands out. The FlashSpeed 1500 uses lithium iron phosphate batteries, which are known for being more stable and durable than traditional battery types. It gives 3,000 plus charge cycles, and even after years of use, the battery still retains about 80% of its original capacity. That means you are not buying something that fades quickly. This is built for long-term reliability. Whether it's used occasionally or regularly, the battery is designed to hold up without becoming a constant worry. Built-in safety. Powerful devices should never feel risky to use. The Super Safe Life BMS system is designed to handle safety in the background so you don't have to think about it. It includes up to 10 different protection modes, covering overcharging, over-discharging, overheating, overcurrent, and short circuits. Everything is managed automatically to keep both the power station and other devices protected. This provides peace of mind, especially during emergencies or overnight use, when you want everything to run safely without constant supervision. Multiple ports. Another practical advantage is the number of devices it can power at the same time. The VTOMAN FlashSpeed 1500 comes with 12 output ports, including AC outlets, USB ports, DC outputs, and a car outlet. All ports support pass-through charging, which means you can charge your devices while the power station itself is charging. That is extremely helpful when time is limited and multiple devices need power at once. Expandable capacity. Sometimes you realize too late that you need power for longer than planned. That is where the extra battery option really makes a difference with the VTOMAN FlashSpeed 1500. On its own, the power station gives you 1,548 watt-hours of capacity, which is already enough to handle essential devices, appliances, and emergency needs. But when you connect the optional FlashSpeed extra battery, that capacity expands all the way up to 3,096 watt-hours. In simple terms, you are doubling your runtime without buying a completely new power station. This is especially useful during long power outages, multi-day camping trips, or off-grid setups where recharging is not always easy. Instead of constantly worrying about conserving power, you get the freedom to run your essential devices longer and more comfortably. The connection process is straightforward and does not require complicated wiring. Once connected, the system manages power automatically, so you don't have to adjust settings or monitor anything manually. Even with the extra battery attached, the total charging time from 0 to full stays efficient at around 2 hours, which is impressive for a setup with this much capacity. The flat-top stackable design also plays a big role here. The extra battery sits neatly on top of the main unit, saving floor space and keeping everything organized. Emergency starter. One feature many people overlook is the emergency car jump starter. The Flash 1500 can quickly jumpstart a 12-volt vehicle using the included car clips. If the battery dies unexpectedly, this feature alone can save you time, stress, and unnecessary trouble. It is one of those tools you hope you never use, but you're glad it's there when you do. The VTOMAN FlashSpeed 1500 is not about flashy extras or complicated features. It's about giving fast charging, strong output, long battery life, and dependable safety in one practical package. If you want a power station that fits into your life naturally and gives you confidence during outages, travel, or emergencies, this one is worth considering. Product purchase link and exclusive discount in the description below the video. Here is one realistic improvement that would make the VTOMAN FlashSpeed 1500 even better: weight reduction. Because of the durable lithium iron phosphate battery and solid build, the unit is not the lightest to carry around. Improving portability through a lighter design or adding built-in wheels or a telescopic handle would make it easier to move, especially for outdoor trips or emergency use.